Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today we are doing the unboxing of Quartz chronographic watch with a black dial and a brown leather band. As you can see, I bought this watch from Amazon.in. So the link of the watch is in description below. So let me unwrap this box. As you can see, for even a small box, for just a watch, they have given a bigger box. So they can charge me bigger shipping value. So let me open up this box. As I open up the box, there's a shipping detail. As you can see, with every product, Amazon is giving out a shipping detail which has my number, my details, and the price of this watch. So let me keep this aside and let me bring out the fossil watch cover box. So you can see a small box inside a bigger box. So it's like Amazon is playing a prank on me. So on the back of the box you can see some numbers and a fossil watch price. So let me keep it aside the Amazon box and let me open up this box. So as I open up the fossil box, you can see a usual manual and a very hard cover for this. A very hard and long usual manual for this fossil watch. A lot of pages on this manual. So as I take out the watch, it's wrapped in a polythene. So let me unwrap the polythene first. So you can see this beautiful fossil watch in front of your screens right now. So a black dial and with a brown leather strap. The strap of this quality is very good as compared to my watch on my hand. A very smooth strap, and on the end of the strap we can see another tag of the fossil watch. So this fossil watch has a brown tag. The tag says again about the price. A black dial, a bigger dial, I can say. A dial is pretty cool of this watch. So let me start this watch, and on the back of the watch there's nothing much. A very smooth dialer over here. So let me pull a small polythene aside from the glass of the watch. So I have kept it aside. So if I compare to my watch, the dial looks pretty cool and it's a little bit of bigger for my usual watch. So let me start this watch by taking out this from here, and I'll push it aside. So my watch has been started right now. So let me set up the time right now on my new fossil watch. So I'm setting up the time right now. So this is all about the new fossil grand chronographic watch. Till then, please subscribe to my channel and keep on watching other videos as well. Thank you.